This is the beginning of some marinated chicken, butter chicken at the end of the cooking process. So this has been marinating in yogurt, Greek yogurt. It's been marinating with some chili powder, some masala, some cumin, some cilantro, and I believe I added a little salt to taste, and a little garlic and onion powder. I'll be back with my final look. All right, be back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product of the butter chicken. All right, it was so good. I wish I had showed you the plate with the rice already there, but here's the rice that I made. That was fluffy and delicious. A little spot already gone. All right. So with this recipe, simple. Marinate your chicken with some yogurt, a little bit of the seasoning that I talked about earlier in the video. Let it sit for about 30-40 minutes. However long you like, just for it to marinate. Get those flavors into the chicken. Put it in a hot skillet. Little oil. Sear. Boneless. I use boneless thighs. Let it sear, cook, chop it after it's kind of brown into small pieces like this. And then you can buy a pre-made sauce, which I did. I love it. The sauce is delicious. It almost tastes like the place I like to go eat in the restaurant. So make it simple. Don't make it hard. If you love butter chicken, this is the way to go. Delicious. All right, to the next video. Bye.